Okay, people. So what's up? This is a quick video. I'm gonna do a quick little overview of these buttons that I just ordered for my Q40, Infinity Q40, essentially the G37. So check this out, right? I ordered these right here, these little aluminum buttons, to take out the black rubber ones and have it match better with the console here. And but these things, when I received them, not that there's anything particularly wrong with them, because they do look nice, they do stand out, and I like them. Okay, but I have one little peeve with this set, and it's that line right there. See that line right there? The way these buttons work, there is no point of stopping. You could rotate these buttons and keep rotating, and it'll keep going, or it'll keep going the other way. Same for all of them. So this little line bugged me. It's, OCD thing, So I wanted something neutral where it didn't have a line in front of them. And I was looking around and shopping around, and I found these on Amazon. And these buttons are way heavier. Okay. This is like metal. This is like, they're heavy. Okay. These are a few ounces heavier, or they're like 3 times or 4 times heavier than these. These are supposed to be aluminum. They're light. They don't weigh anything. They even weigh less than the original factory buttons. But they look good. Okay. But I'm picky. That's just me. Look. Yeah, I could even see my damn reflection on the front of the button there. I mean, these look badass. These are guitar, buttons, which is how I found them. And they happen to be the same size, and they if I can pull it out, and I cannot. They're in there good. They're in there good. Let me see if I can pull this bottom one off. Okay. Woo, damn. Okay, boy. But look at this. Look at this button. I mean, like, this is metal, man. I mean, this is heavy. Okay, this is top notch, high grade metal here. I mean, this is not some flimsy, thin aluminum. I don't want to say aluminum crap, because the other ones do look nice. It's just that line that like I said. But anyways, look, you can see me recording. Okay, these are nice. I mean, these stand out. I love these things. Love them already, and I just had to make a video on them to recap. Show these off real quick. And I'm sure, you polish these real good and whatnot, they'll look even shinier. Let me put this back. Find it good. All right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, and they work. They press good. Oh man, they feel great, man. Especially with these with the diamond engraved pattern here. Makes it good to, you grab it real good. Yeah, these are awesome, man. These look great. These look great. These are freaking butter, man. And I suggest that you guys look these up. I'm telling you, they make your system or your sound, your console look great. And especially if which I'm planning to do is do the carbon fiber vinyl all over this right here. I do have a couple, like a couple nicks here and there. I would love to just make this appear and whatnot. So that's definitely coming soon. But another thing, if you guys are interested, is this ball head or bulb head. So my phone, I can't show you, but my phone has I'll show you the reflection. You see that part right there? That part right there is another magnetic piece that it's like concave. So it will fit right on this, and then you can put it in any way you want. You can put it sideways. You can kind of tilt it back, kind of tilt it forward. So it does kind of protrude out. So you have a little bit of movement, and this thing holds pretty good, man. And something that my wife bought, and I decided to give it a go, and it works great. The problem is finding a good location for it. So I figured that this was the best spot, since I'm not really going to use my volume button, because my radio is always on number 1, and it's hooked up to this Vixen Bluetooth adapter that goes into your lighter port. So that being said, I always control my volume there. So I have no issues with that. So that being said, it's a great product. Try it out. You gotta, kill two birds with one stone in this video. But anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to introduce to you G37 owners, Q40 owners, and so on and so forth. Try these buttons out, man. Look at these are fresh, bro. Yeah, I know these are fresh. All right, brothers. Later.